Hello everyone. Let's learn how to create realistic sun rays on the face like this in Photoshop. So, first, open your image in Photoshop. Now, select the polygonal lasso tool and start making a selection around the face something like this. Create a levels adjustment layer. Here, adjust these sliders to make the selected area brighter. Click on the mask here, and then increase the feather slider to make the selection more natural. Now right-click on the levels layer and click on the duplicate layer option. Select the mask. Go to Image, Adjustment, and Invert. Click on the Levels icon layer. Click on this icon to clear the previous settings. Now, drag this slider to increase the contrast in the image. Click on the mask, and then increase the feather value for more natural rays. Right-click on the mask, and click on Add Mask to Selection. Now, select the brush tool, and then open the color picker, and choose the pastel orange color here. Create a new layer. Start painting over the edges of the selection something like this. Once done, go to Filter, Blur and Gaussian Blur. Here, keep the value between 110 to 120, and then hit OK. Reduce the opacity of this layer to 80%. Now, create a color lookup layer. Here, select the Fall Colors filter. Reduce its opacity to 75%. We are done here. Let's see the final result. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.